Hi friends, it's Kiki. I'm here with another Amazon product review. This time it's a pet product that I've been buying for a few years now and I thought I would do a review. It's Nature Gnaws little bully sticks. I have an older dog. It's a Labradoodle, so she's a big dog, but she's getting older and having more dental issues. So I buy these extra thin ones. She loves them. She handles them well, and takes her a good 30 minutes to get through one. Really a nice treat for her. They're globally sourced, packaged in the USA. I really trust the brand, and I think it's worth giving a try. These are beef, and comes with 10 in the pack. So definitely give them a shot and see if your dog enjoys them as much as mine. Thank you.
9-week-old puppy enjoying the stick. And then I've got an older dog named Yoko, and this is the first time I'm telling you, Henry, she's got it in her feet and she's chewing it. I've never, ever seen her do that. Yoko, you like it? You like it? Oh my God, you mad at me? You like your stick, huh? It's good? It's good? Oh my goodness, I can't believe him. She's 7 years old and he's a puppy. And he's enjoying it. You gotta get this. I'm telling you. Right, Henry? It's crazy that she's eating that. Because
you cannot put little stuff on furniture. He's a dog.
He's a family member.
He's a dog family.
He's a family member, Mama.
Yeah. I'm not planning to use a dog. Put his stuff on the floor. Don't put his stuff on furniture.
is it yummy? You like it? Good job.
Iya sikit. Iya ibu suya. Suya. Kita tahu apa kita ni apa.